Welcome class. We're going to be talking about applications and models for trig functions. It's going to be some simple stuff with some more challenging things. At the same time, we'll work through it in class, and then you'll have the study guide after class, and we will have the test on Wednesday. Okay, so the test will be on Wednesday. Now, getting right into it, we're going to be talking about solving for right triangles. And on this one, you can see A, B, and C. These are our angles. A, B, and C lowercase are going to be our side lengths. So the first thing we do is that we are going to solve for our unknown angle. So A equals 34.2 degrees. B is unknown. And C equals 90 degrees. Okay, so you just do 90 minus 34.2 equals 8, 5, 55.8 degrees. Okay, now to find our sides, we have A, B, C, and B is 19.4. So what do we do to find A and C? Well, we can use any of the functions really, but for A over B is going to equal tangent of 34.2. So A equals 19.4, just multiply B to both sides, times tangent of 34.2. And so that's solving for A, and then C is just going to be A squared plus, well, we can actually just do, let's use our formula. So we could do cosecant. It's cosecant or secant? Secant. Let's use secant of our angle. My apologies real quick. We're going to use secant of 34.2. It's going to be C over B. So secant times 19.4 of 34.2 degrees is equal to C. So what does C equal to? What does A equal to? Okay, well, let's plug this into a calculator, and we'll get our answer. Okay, so we do 19. 4 times trig tangent of 30.2. And is this in degrees? We got to make sure we're in degrees. Yep. So our answer is 13.18. And then C is going to be, and C is going to be 19.4 times 34.2 secant. And our answer okay, I don't know why it changed. 18.4 times 34.2 secant. Okay, and the answer is 23.5. So you could check your math to make sure that these all work out. This could also be simplified as 13.2 and 23.5. Okay, and that's what you would write. Okay, so you can use your calculator to solve these kind of problems. A very similar problem is this with this. They give us C. We'll work through this really quickly, and then we'll move on. Okay, so again, we need to write A, B, C, capital, which is our vertices, A, B, and C, and then lowercase a, B, and C. So again, C is going to be 90 degrees. Angle A is 72, so that would leave 18 degrees. Okay, they give us C is 110 feet. So then solving for the unknown sides, we can do A over 110 will equal what? Opposite over, okay, will equal sine of 72 degrees. And B over 110 will equal cosine of 72 degrees. So then you get A equals 110 times sine of 72 degrees, and B equals 110 times cosine of 72 degrees. Okay. So doing the math, what are we going to get? Well, let's plug it into calculator again. Okay, so we do 110 times 72 sine, get 104.6 feet, and B equals, which in this case is not going to be that hard to figure out. It's going to be 34 feet. Okay, so plug those in. 34 feet, 104.6 feet, and you have your answers. Okay, that will be how you solve that kind of problem. Now you have many ways you could solve this. It isn't limited. It's just that you need to be creative. Okay. Okay. Similar type of problem. Let's zoom out real quick. Okay, so we're going to look at this question right here. Okay, at 200 feet from the base of the building, the angle of elevation to the bottom of the smokestack is 35 degrees, whereas the angle of elevation to the top is 53 degrees. Find the height of the smokestack alone. Okay. Now, so you're going to have to do. You're gonna have to solve for s plus a. So you're gonna have to do two different trig functions, and I will show you how to do that. Okay. So first we erase. So first thing we notice about it is that we have two triangles we're dealing with one with 53 degrees and one with 35 degrees. So they're both going to be the same. They're both going to be tangent of 53 degrees is going to equal s plus a over 200, and tangent of 35 degrees is going to equal a over 200. So then we first do this one, tangent of 35 degrees times 200 equals a, and then over here 200 tan 30 53 equals s plus a. Okay, using calculator again, I'm going to get 200 times tangent of 35, and I'm going to get 140. So 140 equals a, and I'm going to do 200 times tangent of 53, and I'm going to get 265. So 265 equals s plus a. So then I get 265 minus 140 equals s. S equals 125 feet. There we go, that is our map. Okay, it's pretty straightforward once you start doing it. Okay, you guys can do the pool by yourself, so we'll talk about this in the next video, okay?